Imagine this. You're at a family dinner. Someone says, "The government's wasting money again." Someone else replies, "Well, that's Carney's fault." But then someone quietly asks, "Wait, how does the Canadian government actually work?" Most people go silent. Because, truthfully, a lot of us don't really know. So today, let's break it down. No jargon, no fluff, just the basics. This is how the Canadian government works, and why it matters to you. Canada is a constitutional monarchy. That means we do have a king, King Charles, but he doesn't run the country. His role is mostly symbolic. The real power? It's in the hands of our elected officials. Still, the king has a Canadian stand-in, the Governor General. They give the final stamp of approval on new laws, but again, only after elected officials do the work. Canada follows the Westminster system, borrowed from the UK. This system has three key parts: the monarch, represented by the Governor General; the Senate, appointed; the House of Commons, elected. Let's focus on the House of Commons, because that's where your vote counts most. When you vote in a federal election, you don't vote for the Prime Minister. You vote for your local MP, your Member of Parliament. There are 343 MPs across Canada. The political party with the most elected MPs usually forms government. Their leader becomes the Prime Minister. So yes, your one vote helps shape who leads the entire country. The Prime Minister picks a cabinet, a team of ministers. Each one is responsible for big things like health, finance, immigration, environment. They write the rules, propose new laws, and steer the country's direction. Let's say the government wants to create a new law. Step 1, they introduce a bill. Step 2, it's debated and voted on in the House of Commons. Step 3, then it goes to the Senate. Step 4, once approved, it gets royal assent from the Governor General. Boom, it's a law. This system decides how much tax you pay, what health care you receive, what's legal or illegal, what your kids learn in school, and how your community gets funding. If you've ever said, "Politics doesn't affect me," think again. You don't need to be a political expert, but you do need to understand the system you live in, because the people in charge, you help choose them. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more simple, no BS videos about Canadian politics. And share this with someone who needs a crash course on how Canada is really run. Because knowledge is power. And your vote? It's more powerful than you think.